everybody, Matt Leisure here, Maple Grove Productions. Wanted to give you guys an update on the garden here. You want to take a look. We finally got everything in the ground, and yeah, things are going well. We've had a couple slight little problems with little pests, but come, we'll take a look, and nothing major. So over here we have, follow me. Over here we have some nice tomatoes. You can see we have, how many here? 3, 4, 5, many tomatoes. And over here, we've got some habanero peppers. These are also other peppers. I think this is a cucumber actually. Yeah, straight A cucumber. But we've got our peppers over here. Some habanero, there's some spinach going there. There is some kale and different kinds of lettuce. And this one right here is actually getting eaten up, as you can see. So we've been trying to spray some soap, like a soapy solution on there. Try and stop whatever bug is trying to eat it up, you know, so we can eat it. And here we have some nice radish, I believe. Is that radish? I'm not even sure. That one doesn't have a little ticket, and I don't know what they all are yet. I think here is some carrot, actually. And over here, come over to this section, we have some more, I think these are peppers. Yeah, there's actually some little peppers going right here. Can you see that, guys? It's nice with the wood chips, there's not as many mosquitoes, I find. And over here, more tomatoes. These guys are doing well, coming along. If you follow me to bed number 3, we have over here our spring rapini broccoli and other kinds of broccoli. Different kinds of cauliflower here as well. We got some more broccoli, baby broccoli here. And over there, you can see that chou-fleur, aka broccoli. And here's some different kind of broccoli. This is a graffiti broccoli. It's purple. How cool is that? Over here we got some Brussels sprouts, I believe, Franklin Brussels sprouts, and quite a few of them. Those are getting eaten as well. So we're gonna have to find a way to stop that, naturally if we can. Here we have some parsley, I think, and some green onion, delicious. Oh, and look, horseradish. This is a Jerusalem artichoke, and this over here is a brown cherry, I believe. Cerise de terre. So lots of interesting things. 2 more green onions there. Some basil. Some, where does this get? Arugula. Some arugula, which there was another stem growing out here and it kind of broke off, unfortunately, but we got a new one coming in, so that's good. And over here we've got some, what is this now? I forget. It smells so good though, and lavender. So yeah, oh, and I can't forget the 3 pumpkins that we have on that last bed number 5. And then there's Mr. Owl. I call this guy Weird Owl. Weird Al Yankovic. It's kind of weird. So that's pretty much the front yard. Now let's go in the back and check out the backyard stuff. So if you follow me over here, got a couple of nice raspberries that Mama just put in there. One of our garden workers. Finally, to finish things off, we have the back garden, which right now consists of berries mostly. We've got our blueberries that haven't gone in yet. Another kind of blueberry. There's also strawberries, wild strawberries, and making more room here for more berries. And then finally, if you join me all the way back here, we have some mint, 2 different kinds of mint. There was some spearmint and peanuts somewhere as well.
Fun fact, if you rub your fingers on a mint leaf and then you smell your fingers, it smells minty.
Smells delicious. And if you know what, if you smell this one, it's actually a different kind of minty. Slightly different. So that's pretty much it for today, my friends. Hope you've enjoyed my update of the farm here, the garden, I'm trying to say. And things are coming along nicely. We'll make sure to keep you in the loop on what happens here at Maple Grove Productions as we grow and evolve after our first year of setup. And big thanks to my cameraman, Prince Vince 28 in the house. Represent. So thanks a lot. Thanks for watching, my friends, and I'll catch you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, and happy gardening. Happy gardening to you. Hope everything's going well with you guys. Bye-bye.